Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Mini Cooper step by step. Begin by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for a comfortable driving position. Fasten your seatbelt and set climate controls for visibility and comfort. Learn key controls like indicators, wipers, and infotainment. Practice smooth throttle and brake input in a quiet area. Get familiar with parking assist and reversing camera cues. Stay calm and build confidence with short, regular practice drives. Start by selecting drive mode, appropriate for conditions, and engage the parking brake release smoothly. Keep both hands on the wheel at the recommended positions and anticipate traffic flow early. Use gentle acceleration and progressive braking to preserve tire grip and ride comfort. Familiarize yourself with the infotainment and phone pairing before starting longer trips. Regularly scan mirrors and instrument cluster to detect issues early and adjust driving style as needed. Approach parking slowly and use mirrors, sensors, and the rear camera to position the car accurately. For tight spots, perform small steering adjustments and use reference points like curb lines or painted markers. When parked, set the parking brake and place the car in park or first gear on slopes. Keep up with recommended service intervals and simple checks like oil and tire pressure to prevent breakdowns and preserve resale value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.